Hello, I just want to give you an update about Crawlomatic. It will be able to also create screenshots for imported posts. So if you crawl web pages, you will be also able to import screenshots about of those web pages using Crawlomatic. So let's check this feature out. Let's use TechCrunch as an example. Uh, let's make a screenshot of TechCrunch's main page, for example. Let's go ahead and create a rule. If you want to use the screenshot in the generated post content settings field, you can use the new shortcodes item screenshot URL and item show screenshot. The first one will embed only the URL of the screenshot image. The second one will embed a full image that it shows the screenshot. So let's use this shortcode in the generated post content. Save settings. Check our blog before. It's empty with a test post, sorry. And it already imported the post. And let's go ahead and check. So this is the screenshot of TechCrunch. If you want to resize the image size, you will have to go to plugins main settings and search for screenshot, and you will see that you will be able to change the screenshot size for the item screenshot shortcode. Okay, so keep in mind that this feature will work for any URL that you crawl, and the plugin will be able to import screenshots of any web page that you pointed to. Okay, so this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy this new feature. Until next time, bye bye.